Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix adjust screen brightness problem in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the display adapter section and right click on your graphics card driver and select uninstall device and select uninstall option and uninstall the device. After that select action tab and select scan for hardware changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the monitor section and right click on the generic monitor and select disable device and select yes. Now right click on the generic monitor again and select enable device. And now right click on it and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers and select let me pick from a list. And if this first option didn't work for you, then you just need to try the second one and then select next. After getting done, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After getting 100% complete, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.